I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter using a meat grinder. Start by roasting peanuts until golden, then cool them completely before grinding. Feed peanuts in small batches for even processing and to prevent motor strain. Add a pinch of salt and a small amount of neutral oil if you want creamier texture. Pause to scrape down the hopper and blades as needed for uniform consistency and to avoid clogs. For best flavor, roast peanuts to a light golden color and let them rest until fully cool. Cooling prevents steam from creating paste-like moisture and helps the grinder work smoothly. Monitor timing closely and shake the pan for even browning. If you prefer less bitterness, remove skins after roasting. If you want a rustic taste, leave skins on. Small batches roast and cool faster, giving you better control and fresher flavor. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes in the kitchen without glare, and it fits easily on shelves near your cookbooks. It's lightweight, has long battery life, and stores many cookbooks and notes for quick reference. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by grinding in coarse settings, then repeat through finer plates until you reach desired creaminess. If the mixture seems dry, add 1 teaspoon of neutral oil per cup and continue processing. Work in short pulses and allow the grinder to pause so peanuts do not overheat. Scrape the sides regularly to keep particles moving and achieve even texture. Taste and adjust salt or sweetener before the final grind for balanced flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.